Let's go! And a water spout above the whale. Wow! Make the crabs claw. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the octopus's tentacle. Add the bubble. Fantastic!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Lemony, it must be so yummy.
Hey! You can't eat that yet. Better find me some orange and red clay instead.
Fine.
What? That lemon was not sour enough?
Sue said we need orange. And red.
These will be our last fruit spirals. Now, we need some whipped cream to top it off. Do you think you can get some, Sammy?
Sure. Any good pastry chef should also have farmer skills.
A few final touches. And voila! Great job. The first dessert is ready. We'll see who's cooked now.
Why it's so hot in here?
Oh, you're right. Hey, why don't we make an ice cream dessert? I'm sure your customers would love it.
Ooh, nice. I'll get the cream. Do you know how hard it was to find multicolored cream?
It's worth it, trust me.
Why do you need a rolling pin? We're making ice cream.
I know, but it's not gonna be just ice cream. We'll make an ice cream sandwich.
2 in 1? Oh, my tibidaba.
What? They're still going? Come on! This will be the most rainbowy ice cream sandwich you've ever seen. Just wait till I finish all the layers.
Oh, I got it. Now we'll just roll it all together, right?
Not exactly. Do you see all these layers? Now we'll roll them over.
Wow, it looks really nice. Ow!
Oh, Sammy, I'm so sorry. Could you help me and bring me a knife? Good luck with that, Chef Sam.
Huh? Where is it? Well, this will do too.
Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? I guess a true chef will always find a way out of a difficult situation. What should we use as bread for our sandwich?
Maybe my specialty biscuits would work?
Sammy, you're a genius. They are perfect.
Stop it, Sue! You're making me blush.
And we're all set. You can try it, Chef.
This is so good.
Alrighty. Hey, why don't we make a rainbow ice cream cone too?
The dough is ready. Now, where on earth did the knife go?
You will never find it, Slime. And your dough is no longer rainbow. Huh? Actually, this color fits even better. What?
Oh, there it is. Thanks for finding my chef's knife, buddy.
Oh, come on!
Ah!
Now let's make a waffle from this. And just like that, a delicious cone is ready.
And I'm gonna make a banana ice cream. Whee! Oh, I can't wait to try it.
You don't say, Sammy. I love the banana flavor, too.
Ooh, scarves? Can I have one?
Oh, no, Sammy. Those were not scarves, but the rainbow glaze. See? I heard that chocolate sauce is very slippery. Oh, nice! We could use this. The chocolate sauce will be so on point. Still, it looks like we are missing something. What do you say, Chef?
I know. All we need is my favorite fruit. Now, where was that? Hey! Hello! Do you have any strawberries?
Sure. Here you go.
Okie dokie, thanks.
Gotcha, silly slime.
I found a missing ingredient, Sue. Strawberry.
A cherry, you mean? You know, it's even better. It'll add some tasty sourness.
Oh, that poor shopkeeper. Someone should tell them these are not strawberries.
They're unstoppable. Okay, I'm done. Oh, wow. Check out what an awesome ice cream cone we've got.
It's delicious. But it's very cold. Why? Don't we make something warming next? For example, we could make a rainbow donut.
Great idea, Sammy. I know exactly how to make it. See? The key is to get the right shape.
Oh yeah? Then how about this?
Here comes the rainbow icing.
Hey, our rainbow donut is brown.
It must be the pastry fairy helping us. The chocolate donut tastes even better.
Ugh, another failure. Oh well. Hey, it's actually really good.
Aha! Stop right there, you... Hey!
Sammy, what's going on back there?
It's so weird, Sue. I keep seeing that one and the same stranger.
Weird indeed. Anyway, our rainbow donut is ready. Want to taste it?
Sure. Yummy. By the way, Sue, what's your favorite dessert?
Oh, I just love rainbow popsicles. I could eat them all day long. Really.
Let's make one then. And there will always be a special goodie in my store just for you.
Here we go. Now we need a stencil for the popsicle.
Will this one work? Hey, what are you doing here again? Why would they keep hanging around anyway?
That's because we are doing such a great job with your sweets, Sammy. Now bring me a rolling pin, please.
So, are we gonna just roll it out?
Nope. This time we're only rolling out the chocolate frosting.
Oh, little star, make my sweets the tastiest and the prettiest in the world, please. Ouch! Shiver me, Cheddars. Sue, now we have a star-shaped cutter.
Nice. Now we'll wrap the whole thing in chocolate. This way. Yummy.
Here's a popsicle stick.
Carefully. Uh-huh. Well, give it a try, Sammy.
Oh, it's the most delicious popsicle I've ever had. We're ready for the grand opening. Huh? You! So it's been you all along, but why?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. But you see, I tried your pastries and they were so yummy. I was afraid that if you changed them, they wouldn't taste so amazing anymore.
What? But what?
Now, I see that they're just as delicious. And even better, they're rainbow colored now. So cool.
Hey, chefs, there's a whole bunch of toys out there waiting for your goodies.
Yay! We will feed everyone together.
Friends, did you enjoy our rainbow video today? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to like this video if you'd like to eat some rainbow sweets too. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Have to stir 29 times for a light, fluffy cake. My arm is getting kind of tired.
Ah! The furry one is right. I could be very useful.
Thank you, Ellery, but we don't need your help. Goodbye.
I'll get that wedding cake, Thorn. One way or another.
The royal garden is so unroyal. It's not just the flowers. The royal pool is drained too.
Moss and I can dig a little stream from the river to fill it. Did you say dig? Let's go, Cap!
Now, we'll need to work fast, but not too fast. We have to be careful. Careful is my middle name. Too big! Too big! Maybe my middle name is clumsy.
Let me give you a hand.
Prince Norbert, Lady Olivia, what an honor. I mean, you're royalty. Not yet.
But soon, my darling, you'll be a princess. Thanks to the kindness of the Lilybuds, we can get married tonight as planned.
We should just cancel the wedding. Oh, no need, Lady Olivia. Creating gardens is what we Lilybuds do.
See? It's going to be fine. Let's go and practice our dance.
Coming, my darling. Thank you all. I don't think Lady Olivia wants to be a princess. She's probably just nervous about the wedding. Let's start with fixing the garden.
Steady, steady. And now for the top layer.
I left it to cool over there.
Chipmunk fur. No!
Oh, there's something blocking the stream. I'll move it. Oh, good! Oh, not good. Ellery? Hello, young Cap. Is there a problem? Yeah, someone put flowers over the stream to block the water flow. I know nothing about that. I've been busy eating cake. I mean, doing my yoga. Cap, there's no water at all now.
Hey, what's that? A beaver dam?
Well, that wasn't made by any beaver, and it's going to blow. We have to warn everyone.
A burst dam means a flood in the royal garden, which means no wedding, which means more cake for me.
I can't wait for Prince Norbert and Lady Olivia to see the garden now.
What happened here? I'm just glad nothing else went wrong. Lilybuds, come here! Quickly! Guillaume? Again? I didn't know a turtle could move that fast.
No, someone cut these flowers on purpose. Look, a trail. You?
It was me. I wanted to stop the wedding from happening. I even built a dam to keep the water from flowing to the royal pool.
But I thought you loved Prince Norbert.
I do, very much. But I can't be the princess. A princess must be able to help others and be brave and know the right thing to say. But I'm none of those things.
Even if that were true, I'm sure if you talk to Prince Norbert, he'd insist it doesn't matter to him one bit.
Thank you, Rose, but I just can't. I'm going to tell him that the wedding is off.
Poor Lady Olivia.
Hey, guys! A dam's about to explode! There's gonna be a...
Oh, too much water! Help! Help! It's getting higher!
What should we do, Rose? I don't know.
Lilybuds, follow my lead. You'll need to hop stone to stone. We just need to get to that big rock and we'll be fine.
Oh, thank you, Lady Olivia. You saved my life.
It was nothing really. It's what any frog would do.
No, it's what a princess frog would do. Help others, be brave, and know just the right thing to say.
Is everyone all right? What a mess. I guess we have to call the wedding off after all.
Actually, darling, yes. Let's call it off in the garden. Instead, let's get married under the royal toadstool.